Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are an admin. Without that, you cannot change most settings. Open Telegram on mobile or desktop, then navigate straight to the group and tap the group name or the three-dot menu. Once done, choose Edit Group or Manage Group to open the settings panel. Make sure you're on the account that holds admin privileges. If not, switch accounts now. This gets you into the control area where all permissions, privacy choices, and admin roles are configured. Next, focus on permissions and roles because they determine daily behavior. Tap Permissions to decide whether members can send messages, media, or change info. Choose specific restrictions to reduce spam. Then go to Administrators to add or remove admins and assign granular rights like pinning messages or managing invites. Make sure to enable or adjust slow mode and media limits if volume is high. These throttle posting and keep order. Once adjusted, preview how a tip finish by saving every change and posting an announcement so members know new rules. Once saved, use a secondary or non-admin account to test sending, joining via links and pinning. This verifies real-world behavior. If you need to roll back, use the settings history or restore defaults and reapply selectively. Key troubleshooting tip. If changes won't apply, confirm you are still an admin, update the app, and regenerate invite links. These steps resolve most permission or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.